going over multiplying decimals in real-world applications. My learning target is I can multiply and divide positive decimals. So we are going to review how to multiply decimals, and then we're going to talk about keywords that we may see for multiplication, and then do a few word problems together. So when you're multiplying decimals, you do not line up the decimal points. You multiply the factors like they are whole numbers. You're going to add the decimal point. This is and where you put it is the total number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the problem is the total number of digits to the right of the decimal point in your product, your answer. So I'm going to do this example problem on the side to show you what that looks like. So 3.96 times 2.3. I have 2 to the right, 1 to the right. So in my answer, I'm going to have 3 to the right. So my answer is 9.108. Some keywords we look for to figure out if the word problem is talking about multiplication. You could see words like per, each, every, and total. So we're going to look at those word problems now. Number 1. Ariana babysits for $12.75 per hour. How much will she earn if she babysits for 4.5 hours on Saturday? Round to the nearest hundredth. So we have 2 here, 1 here. My answer is going to have a total of 3 to the right. So I'm going to multiply these two. And then it asks me to round. So 5 or more ways to score. This is 58.38 or $58.38. Number 2, a baker makes 36 cupcakes and each cupcake requires 0.45 cups of sugar. How many cups of sugar does she use in total? So I have 2 here, 0 here. So that means a total of 2. So 36 times 45. .2 cups of sugar. Number 3, a farmer fills 18 baskets and each basket contains 2.35 kilograms of apples. How many kilograms of apples does he have in total? So that's 42.3 kilograms. Number 4, a landscaper charges $185.20 each day for work. How much will the landscaper earn after working 6.5 days? I'm just going to take away the 0 because it doesn't change the value of the number. So he makes $1,203.80. A tutor charges $42.75 per hour. How much will a tutor earn for teaching 12.5 hours? Round to the nearest hundredth. 2 here, 1 here, 3 at the end. And I need to round, so this is $534.38. Number 6, Marcus mows lawns for $14.60 per hour. How much will he earn if he works 7.25 hours this week? 1 here, 2 here. $105.85. Thank you for watching.